Legacy, more how the desert western my redemption.
Out where the sun kisses the cracked desert plains, where shadows linger and the silence remains, ghost towns whisper of the fortunes they lost in a land where dreams cross the heat's burning gloss, atomic skies and the spirits of men, mobsters and secrets dance in the wind. From Death Valley's grip to the neon bright lines where the lost stars shimmer and the cold moon shines. Oh, ride those lost highways, take me away from the dust of the valley to the light of the day, where the echoes of laughter drown out the fear in the heart of the desert. The truth will appear. Beneath the old oak, where the stories unfold, a gathering of rebels, their fates intertwined with gold. Aliens watch through their shades of dead night as the mobsters made deals under flickering lights. Fates like the tumbleweeds rolling alone, chasing the high stakes in a world of their own. From the shadows they call on the winds that align in a game of survival, reason and rhyme. Oh, ride those lost highways, take me away from the dust of the valley to the light of the day, where the echoes of laughter drown out the fear in the heart of the desert. The truth will appear. But the road it winds deeper through secrets and lies as the stars start to fade and we look to the skies. In the shadows of giants we scrawl our own names through the heat and the hustle. We're all just the same. So let's dance with the danger, chase shadows that roam. The sirens are calling us back to our home. Every mile's a memory, every billow of dust in this land of the wild, where we learn to trust. From echoes of mobsters to the tales of the wise, we're just ghosts in the desert, chasing mad skies. Oh, ride those lost highways, take me away from the dust of the valley to the light of the day, where the echoes of laughter drown out the fear in the heart of the desert. The truth will appear. Vegas. You're all in my heart in the heat of the evening as the shadows collide. We'll ride those lost highways with the stars as our guide.